Today I'm bringing you one of the most viral products on TikTok and the entire platform. Here we have this foam. First, shake it about 10 times. Twist the cap to open it. Insert it into the drain. Press hard and voila! Out it comes. Mine was very clean, but I've seen some crazy stuff come out. This foam is amazing. It leaves a really nice smell. I used it mainly to remove odors because I cleaned the drain recently. Otherwise, a lot of gunk could come out. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Once it's done, we take the chance to remove everything from here. Once we've cleared it all out, we clean thoroughly. As you can see, there was some stuff there. Let's take this chance to get it out. This helps unclog what's stuck down there. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment whether you'd use this product or not. Link in the description. I always leave the affiliate link. I get a small commission, but it costs you the same and helps support the channel. We're pulling out all the dirt we see. Let's scrub well. Once it's done, look how shiny it is. The drain looks brand new again, so we can start fresh. Let's wipe off the residue with some paper or a cloth, whatever you have on hand. Try to remove as much water from inside too, before putting on the nozzle. If the nozzle isn't working well, here's a link to a video where we show you how to fix it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.